Best trick contest. You guys are the judge, exactly like American Idol. All right, guys, we're super excited to be here with you today in the Braille House. And we're gonna start a brand new series. Yes, we are, yes, sir. Courtesy of Gabe the Cruise. So here is the idea. We're going to do a best trick contest, but you, yes, you, right there behind the computer screen, phone screen, whatever you're watching on, are the judge. You guys are the judge. So all of these fine gentlemen right here are gonna do as many tricks as they can in the next 40 minutes on this box. If you guys like this video, leave it in the comments below, both if you like the video, what you think it should be called, and who is the winner. But the main thing we want to know is who do you think did the best trick? Or it could be the multiples of best trick. However you guys want to judge it, you're the judge, because I'm sure we'll do more than one trick.
It's like American Idol.
That's right, exactly like American Idol. Contestants we have today are Fetty McFotter the Potter.
Okay.
Carlos McCthulhu.
Aaron
McCairo.
McCairo.
Uzi McDang.
Jagger.
And McNugget. I guess we just start. We just skate. We just skate this box. This is gonna be madness. Just Rochambeau just for fun. Go.
Everyone go to whatever side you want. I'm gonna get this timer started. We're going. I need you to land that. "29 minutes. Now I like how you're thinking, Fetty.
That's a nose grind, I guess.
What? Wow. You guys got 20 minutes. What? Oh my God. Disqualified! Crikey, mate.
Explosion.
Nine minutes, 45 seconds.
I literally can't set up.
God.
6 minutes, 20 seconds. Dan, dolphin flip 50. You guys have 4 minutes and 50 seconds.
It was more slippery than I thought.
What? Damn. Two minutes, 45. Booger! I love that. 1 minute, 45. My God. Come on, Dan. Final minute. $20 seconds. All right, that's time. That's time. I will officially give everyone one last try, though.
Who wants to go first? One more try each.
Everyone gets one more try.
I was happy with my last trick, so.
You don't have to try, just if you want to.
I'll take a turn.
I was gonna flip out, but I wasn't gonna flip out.
Oh my goodness! And that is it. That is it, dude. We were doing Braille Army on that for sure.
I'll win.
Sick. That was good.
That was really good. What did you think of that?
All right, we hope you guys enjoyed that. Leave it in the comments below. Who do you think did the best trick and or tricks? Who is your favorite superhero? Who do you think we should call this series?
Can I pause you real quick? Hashtag notification squad. If you can name all the tricks, you get a prize package.
Wow.
They got way too much to do already.
There's like 4 tricks.
Hashtag notification squad, who won? Leave it in the comments below. Let's go. You guys are the absolute best. We really want to know what you think of this series. So leave all your comments in the comments below. Is that kind of a weird thing?
that where
We'll
you
probably
leave it?
try and do a poll as well. We're not quite sure if that is going to work. So we're going to do a combination of the both. But make sure you do the comments, okay? Check out all the videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, and even you, learn to skateboard. Let's go.